Hello PGA West owners. Please be sure to vote no to CC&R changes in order to keep your property rights and property values. The ballot will be arriving in the mail shortly. The ballot will come in an envelope and will have a special print in the lower left-hand corner. Included in the envelope are details about the amendment. Here are the steps to properly complete your ballot. Your ballot will look similar to this. Please complete the ballot by placing an X next to Disapprove the proposed declaration amendment. Once you complete your ballot, please place it inside of the green official ballot envelope. You will then place the official ballot envelope inside of the white envelope. Please be sure to sign the front of the upper left envelope with your signature using a black or blue pen. This is a very important step. Your ballot will not be counted if your signature is not on the envelope. No postage is necessary. For lost or destroyed ballots, please contact the Inspector of Elections, NLB Consulting at 760-323-7475. Again, we urge you to protect your property rights and vote no and mark Do Not Approve Amendment of CC&Rs. It is advisable to return your ballot within the next 5 days. The HOA CC&R amendment is misguided and flawed. They fail to address the biggest short-term rental issues we care about most, which is prohibiting all disruptive party houses, tough enforcement of noise violations, and trespassing on the golf courses. Your no vote is an opportunity to help us work on true solutions. Please visit our website for more information. Thank you.